Build a workbench from scratch, the ultimate DIY guide. Tired of working on the floor? Ready to upgrade your workspace? In this video, we'll show you how to build a sturdy and functional workbench from scratch. Get ready to unleash your inner woodworker. Before we even touch a piece of wood, let's plan. A well-thought-out plan is crucial for a successful build. We'll start with a detailed sketch complete with all the necessary dimensions. Here's a look at our plan. Notice the overall size and the placement of the legs and supports. This plan will be available for download in the description below. Choosing the right size is key. Consider the space you have available and the type of projects you'll be working on. For this project, we're going with a workbench that's mentioned specific dimensions. A great size for most home workshops. Now, let's talk materials. We'll be using mentioned lumber types and quantities needed for the frame. These materials are strong, readily available, and relatively inexpensive. For the workbench top, we're opting for specify the material used for the top. It's durable and provides a smooth, even surface. Don't forget the hardware. You'll need screws, wood glue, and your choice of finish. Here's a quick on-screen list of all the materials you'll need. Take a screenshot so you have it handy when you head to the lumberyard. Having everything prepared will make the build process much smoother. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses when working with power tools. Protecting your eyes is paramount. We'll be using a miter saw, circular saw, or hand saw for this project. Choose the tool you're most comfortable and confident using. Each tool has its own advantages. Now, let's get cutting. We'll walk you through each cut, explaining the angle and length required. Accuracy is key to a strong and square workbench. Remember the golden rule. Measure twice, cut once. Taking the time to double-check your measurements will save you time and frustration in the long run. It's a woodworking mantra for a reason. Watch closely as we demonstrate each cut. We'll show you how to properly position the wood and make clean, accurate cuts. Precision is what separates a good workbench from a great one. With all the pieces cut, we're ready to move on to the exciting part. Assembly! Get ready to see your workbench start to take shape. Let's start assembling the frame, step by step. We'll show you exactly how to connect the pieces to create a solid foundation. This is where the workbench really starts to come together. Before joining any pieces, apply wood glue to the joints. Wood glue creates a strong, permanent bond that will significantly increase the strength of your workbench. Don't skimp on the glue. Next, we'll use screws to secure the pieces together. Choose screws that are long enough to penetrate both pieces of wood, but not so long that they poke through. The right screws make all the difference. Pay attention to screw placement. Strategically placed screws will provide maximum strength and stability. Think about where the stress points will be and reinforce those areas. Clamps are your best friend during assembly. Use clamps to hold the pieces together tightly while the glue dries. This ensures a strong, square frame. We'll repeat this process for all the frame components. Take your time and ensure everything is square and level. A solid frame is the foundation of a great workbench. Now it's time to attach the top to the frame. This is where your workbench really starts to look like a workbench. The top provides the work surface you'll be using for all your projects. We'll demonstrate how to attach the top to the frame using screws. Be sure to use plenty of screws to ensure secure connection. A wobbly top is no good. Ensuring the top is flush with the frame is crucial. A flush top provides a smooth, even work surface. Take your time and make sure everything lines up perfectly. If you're using plywood for the top, consider reinforcing the edges with edge banding. Edge banding protects the plywood edges and gives the top a more finished look. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. With the top attached, it's time for the finishing touches. These details will make your workbench look professional and protect it from wear and tear. Don't skip this step. We'll start by sanding the entire workbench to remove any rough edges or splinters. A smooth surface is essential for comfortable and safe working. Use progressively finer grits of sandpaper for the best results. Next, we'll apply the chosen finish. Whether it's stain, paint, or varnish, a good finish will protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. Choose a finish that suits your style and the type of projects you'll be working on. Consider adding optional features like drawers or shelves. These additions can greatly increase the functionality of your workbench. Think about what you need to store and how you want to organize your workspace. Upbeat music starts. And there you have it. A brand new, sturdy, and functional workbench built from scratch. Now you have a dedicated space to tackle all your woodworking projects. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Building your own workbench is a rewarding experience that will improve your woodworking skills and provide you with a valuable workspace. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tutorials. We're always creating new content to help you improve your skills. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Your feedback is important to us. Happy building! Now go create something amazing on your new workbench.